Now, that was a general outline. Now we are going to write a specific outline of a 3-paragraph essay about the same topic, the library services. Now look at the introduction here. Again, I have the Roman numeral. I have the word introduction. Then I have A, B, and C in capital letters as subdivisions. The word hook is followed by a question, a stated question. What kind of services does a college library offer its students? So this is my hook. Then B, connecting information. Our library at the College of Education works very hard to provide the students with plenty of services which help them enjoy their stay there. So the connecting information will connect the hook to what comes later, which is the thesis statement, which is there under C. So I have the thesis. Students who visit the college library can benefit from 3 major services: the internet, the book loan, and the photocopying services. So my introduction is detailed. Look at the body paragraph. Again, I have the Roman numeral, I have the word body, and I have division A. Internet service. Capital letters, internet, starting with a capital letter. Then under internet service, I have 2 subdivisions, 1 and 2. So I have the Roman numeral 2, then A, alphabetical order, capital letters, and I have 1 and 2 subdivisions, you can say, underneath the internet service. I have fast internet connection, this is number 1, and number 2, I have convenient service. So this internet service is fast, and number 2, it's convenient. Underneath number 1, I have 2 extra ideas, A and B, and notice that the A and B here are in small case letters. So I have Roman numerals, body, capital letter A, alphabetical ordering, and then I have the first major idea in the body paragraph, internet service. Under this major idea, or let's say supporting detail, I have 2 extra ideas, 2 extenders, fast internet connection and convenient service. And underneath these extenders, I have extra ideas to develop the extenders. I have A, fast downloading for the fast internet connection, and B, never disconnects. I'm referring to the connection that it never stopped working. And under convenient service, this is 2, I have free as A and available all the time as B. Now again, I'm still working within my body paragraph. I have A as the first idea, and now B again in capital letters as the second major idea in my paragraph. Book loan service. Now I want to discuss 2 things under this major idea, 2 extenders: library cards used by students, and number 2, loan service conditions. And underneath these extenders, I have also extra ideas, maybe extra examples or whatever, to develop them. I have again A, B. A, to borrow books, B, to copy material. So I use the library card to do these 2 things. And under 2, loan service conditions, I have number 1, or number A, keep books in good shape. One of the conditions, if you want to borrow a book from the library, is to keep the book in a good shape. And number B, return them on time. Still, we are working within our body paragraph. Now we are dealing with idea number C. Now again, it's in capital letter, alphabetical order, the photocopying service. Under this major idea, I'm going to discuss 2 ideas. Get copies of documents. The photocopying service is there to help the students get copies of documents. And number 2, it's fast and reliable. I'm describing the service as fast and reliable. So under 1 also, I'm going to discuss 2 extra ideas. Copies of what? What kind of documents? I can get copies of books, and I can get copies of personal documents. And number 2, the service, the photocopying, is fast and reliable. Again, under this idea, I will discuss A, no need to wait. You are there, you choose the book you want to photocopy, you just give it to the responsible person there, and she photocopies it for you and delivers it to you quickly. And B, copies are always in good shape, so the copies are not are all the time clear and readable, etc. Now let's look at the conclusion. Again, Roman numerals and the word conclusion, and here I'm stating the or in fact restating my thesis. To be honest, the college library offers many services to students so that they need not worry about anything. This way, I wrote 2 outlines for the essay. I wrote a general outline. It could be a first step to writing your essay, and I wrote also a detailed outline, a specific outline, which could be a further step or a second step in the writing process. Now, my comments on these 2, or on this in particular form or outline. The hook, the connecting information, and the thesis are stated very clearly under the introduction division. So they are written, they are stated. In the body paragraph, I added extenders under each supporting detail. I have under the ABC, again I have 1, 2, and under 1, 2 I have A in small case letter and again B. The extenders are numbered 1, 2, etc. The extenders start with a capital letter, but they are not in the form of complete sentences. Under the extenders, there are extra ideas ordered alphabetically, small case letters this time, A, B, C, etc. The conclusion division relate or restates the thesis. Thank you.